Ashima ma'am, you have been muted.
Yes, I'm doing it from laptop. Just wait. So in that case, like you are going to hand लैपटॉप से कर रही हूँ मैं दोनों से कनेक्ट करती हूँ हाँ 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 लैपटॉप से कर रही हूँ so now like when we talk about we have so many things available in the college and when we are coming to college we want to have some work, right? So at the end of the day what you are trying to do is you should able to find out that where is to go, right? So let's understand first that how many of you are excited to see your college. First of all, let me know like how many of you have been to college before. You have been to college before? Okay, that's good if you have been to college before. And how many of you are excited to see that how your college look like? Now it is your college, right? So how many of you are interested to see that thing? Oh my God, number is raising so fast. So you all are curious to know about it, like how does your college look like? Right. So now I'm going to, show you the college, and I will be taking a halt in between because that's a video, and through virtual, mode, we are going to see that particular premises in the building itself. And I will be letting you know wherever I want to let you know that why I'm, pausing over there, and I will brief you about that particular facility, right? So let me share my screen. Just allow me to share my screen so that we can go ahead with it. Just wait for a moment. There will be an audio, but it does not matter whether you are able to listen to that audio or not because that's a background music only, right? I'm going to narrate you about that particular location. Are you able to see? Are you able to see the video? Yes. Are you able to see the video? Is it
Yes,
visible? Is
ma'am.
my screen visible? Okay, that's good.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
See, now you can see this is the front of the building. Are you able to see that? There is a
Yes.
passage going, right? So this is the entrance for the college, wherein you have to enter, right? And because of the COVID norms, we also have the sanitizer kept on that front. On your left hand side there is a reception. On the right hand side there is a desk for the your guard, right? So when you talk about that, in that case, if you have any query, like if you really want to ask something, if there is no one at the reception, you can take the help of the guard as well, because at times people go on lunch and there is no one to look after the reception at that time. Though we try our level best to have someone at the reception, because this is the one of the most important place to have the inquiries or to get your problem solved, right? See, now you can see there is a welcome written on it. That's the reception, right? Just next to this reception, there is a passage going to examination cell. Like we have examination rooms on ground floor. And when the exams conduct physically, we have to collect the question papers and all, then we really need to go there. Students are not allowed to enter in that particular room. On the right hand side, if you talk about, or just bank opposite to reception or this particular passage, there's a passage going on towards the director office and your admission cell, admin, and your exam cell, right?
वीडियो तो अच्छी हुई है.
Yes, there is a way which is just wait. See, just bang opposite to, I told you that there is a way to the office, administration office, and there is a director office itself. There is a lift which is not meant for the students, right? Students are not allowed to use the lifts. Lifts are meant for the people, those who are physically challenged, or if you talk about for the faculty and the staff members, right? Lifts are not to be used by the students. So when we talk about the role of ignition cell, what happens? Sorry, administration cell office. There are things to be done. First is we have exam cell wherein we are depositing all the whatever test we are taking for you in the class. We have to submit it to the exam cell and the mark, then the award list. Then coming out to be inward and the outward document. If something to be received from somewhere, that is to be given in that particular office only, or if you have to issue it to someone else. Let's say that you really want to have some document from the college. Let's say आपको letter of recommendation चाहिए, LOR. What happens, a faculty is going to provide that faculty that LOR to the admin office, to SSC. They will put the date on that. It will go to the administration, and then they'll they put one number on it, and then it will get signed from the director, sir. So this way, when we talk about, we really need to have things with us, and accordingly we can say that just wait, there's a problem with the file, I guess. Wait. Just wait, students. There is some error in it. Let me try to log in. Yes, students, just wait for a moment. The file has got some problem with that. Let me try it from the laptop. Am I audible to you all? Yes. Am I
Yes,
audible?
ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
okay.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
When no one is speaking, then it becomes a responsibility of the class. Yeah, to present it. Why don't you present people like I वो मैं इसीलिए दो बच्चे बना दिया था because they are the class responsibility because they are the class responsibility to bring the students and when I'm asking
Yes, I was telling you about your, role of administration, and now coming out to be when we look at this, see, student support cell. Am I audible to you all? Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
See,
Yes,
we,
ma'am.
yeah, okay,
Yes,
okay,
ma'am.
that's good. We could not able to, have the include the picture over here for the student support cell. Student support cell is, situated on the first floor. When we, saw that particular reception, there was a passage left to it, and just, 5 to 10 steps more, there's a staircase going upstairs, right? So now what you have to do is you have to take those upstairs, and once you reach on the first floor, you are able to see student support itself in front of that particular stairs only. So therein what you can do is like day to day inquiries जो होती है, और it could be like NOS generation आपका होता है, NAT registration होता है, exam fee होती है, mark sheet collection होते है, everything is being done at your student support cell, right? And there is Mr. Firoz and Miss Kiran is available to handle the query and or to take the documents. And when you are going to get your documents back, which you have submitted for the physical one, then that can also be taken back from there only. See, this is the accounts department. Now you can see to it. You are able to see the staircases. Are you able to see that? Just outside
Yes,
the
ma'am.
room opposite to it, these
Yes, ma'am.
staircases are going upstairs towards your first floor. That's for the student support cell, and this place is meant for the account section, wherein we are not taking anything in cash. Either you have to get the work done from bank, like आप भारतीय सहकारी बैंक में जाकर you pay the fee, get the receipt from there or the challan, and then you have to submit it over here. Or what you can do is like if in case you have to pay some money, okay, so that money will be made in the form of plastic cash only. That way if you are doing it outside, you can make use of your debit card or the credit card, but no cash transactions are allowed in our accounts department. Everything is cashless. Either you go by the network, net banking, or you just go with the all such activities through the help of your debit and credit card. Now we are moving further. See, this is the director's office, and this is the picture of our one of the mega events we have. That is the Renaissance. That is the annual and cultural fest. So now what happens over here is like when we talk about. We do have guests from. We try to have guests in the inaugural as well as we are also calling out the celebrities for the star night, right? So now what happens over there when we have the interaction? First of all, the interaction takes place in the director's office, then it goes further for the function. See, this is the open air amphitheater wherein we can have the activities we can accommodate somewhere around 100 to 150 students in one go, and it has been used by students during the normal classes. This is one of the auditoriums wherein we have the this is the renovated one. If you talk about, this is the renovated one, right? We have just renovated recently over there. We have got the blue lights and the new music system over there. Everything is installed over there. You need not to have anything from the outside. Just you have to organize your events, and that cannot be done on your whims and wishes. You have to seek permission for that.
आप आपने हिंदी में आंसर आई हैव नॉट सेड हिंदी
See, this is the computer lab, right? We have three computer labs, and each and every computer lab is equipped with the systems, internet. When we talk about this computer lab is meant for the MBAs because they have to do the project and they have the subjects like SPSS and Excel. So for them, we have made this lab. Okay, then we have lab in on first floor itself. This is also on first floor. This is lab A, right? And then we have lab on ground floor, which is known as communication lab. In communication lab, generally BBA classes are conducted, or the activities if you want to conduct that can be conducted in the for BBA. And the other one lab we have it on first floor, that is in the room 103, which is just to adjacent to your SSC. जब SSC से आप एक passage लोगे towards the left, you therein you will find that 103 lab. These are the classrooms. Okay, now when we talk about when we are coming to college, we are going to have classroom. And on classroom, we have whiteboard as well as green board. We can make use of the, marker and chalks as well. And the all the classrooms are equipped with the LCDs and the projector, right? So we are as we are making use of ICT in teaching, that's a blended learning. Along with when you talk about the modern and the traditional techniques we are making use of PPTs, we are making use of videos over there. So for that we have the speakers over there in the class, and we also have one podium which is meant for it, like when students are coming to convey something or they really want to give the presentation, they can make use of it. So what we are trying to do is we are trying to give you the professional setup. You are not giving the presentation just like that only. Okay, वहां पर क्या है, you are able to see that podium and you can have the experience of it. Now this is the library which is situated on second floor. And this library has three sections. You are able to see the one section just beyond that particular chairs and all. Are you able to see the glass over there? Are you able to see glass this way? Yes, are you able to see that glass? The partition over there and the gate is there. So behind this we have the journal section wherein we have the magazines and the journal. This is the section meant for the students and the faculties whosoever can sit, but the only condition is that you have to maintain silence. You are not supposed to talk at a very high pitch. As we know, library is a place wherein people have peace and they can concentrate on their uh, you know the things whatever they really want to do there, right? Then we are moving next. and the books are on the opposite side. This is the green circle. Now, most importantly, when we talk about this place is meant for leisure, okay? But leisure does not mean that you know missing out your classes and this and see we have been told that this is the place for leisure and we can make use of it. During the classes, you are not allowed to roam around in the campus unnecessarily unless you have some work over there. Okay? So now what you have to do is during your break times, like you have between 10 to 15 minutes of break in between the sessions, or after the classes, you can come over here during winter. Summers, mein to obviously I don't think so that you would go there. But in winter, that's a very nice place to be there, and the weather is very pleasant. You can enjoy this facility. The only thing is that you're not supposed to be there just in case of that you are saying कि हमारा तो leisure time है, that's why we are here. Leisure time means that you do not have any lecture schedule at that point of time, you can have that leisure, right? Then beyond this, we have the building. If you talk about, that's for the girls hostel. Probably we may have girls from your batch as well who are going to take the facility for the hostel, but as if now the hostel is totally vacant, students are not there, and there's a staff quarter as well. There are few non-teaching people are staying in that particular staff quarter, and this is the canteen area. See, we have canteen this canteen is in L shape, right? Because we have to accommodate three buildings over here. One is ours, and the second one is for the BVCO and BVI camp. That's for the engineering and your engineering and your MCA, right? So now what is happening? Like we can have people over here, and then we can always, we can have the multi cuisine if you talk about. But again, apart from this canteen, we also have other things which we can say that you can enjoy, right? I can show you up. Just wait. Yes. After this, you are able to see Nescafe. Other than Nescafe, we have Hearst Cafe over there. Timbuktu we have there. So you can have plenty of food. You don't need to go anywhere out. आपको कहीं बाहर जाने की जरूरत ही नहीं है. You can have everything over here in the campus. You name it and you will get it. There won't be any issue for that, right? Then this is the playground, right? Again, playground is allowed to use, but after 4 o'clock, because in BVICAM and BVCO they are also having classes and they are very adjacent to the playground. अगर आप वहाँ पे noise करोगे तो that will go into their rooms and that will create disturbance for them. So after 4 o'clock, you can always make use of this playground to play. But yes, during the break time, you can go and sit there. You can, talk to each other. You can discuss with each other. This way you can go. But यहाँ पर ये मत सोचना हम lectures के बीच में जाएंगे. We can make use of this playground for playing. No, that cannot be done during the lectures. You cannot do so. But after 4 o'clock, you are allowed to do. But again, there is a restriction to it that by 6:30 you have to leave the campus. After 6:30 or 7, nobody is allowed to be in the campus because we have a girls hostel over here and we have to take care of their safety and the security. This is the volleyball court over there. This is the basketball court. We have the dedicated basketball court. This is the sports room wherein we can have this table tennis. This is the gym also we have, and the gym has also the timings. You can always make use of gym. There is no fee for that. ठीक है, कोई फीस नहीं है, आप यूज कर सकते हो, but it does not mean that you are not paying anything, then you can destroy the instruments. No, you are not supposed to do that. ठीक है. So the people those who are going to stay in hostel, so they need not to go somewhere out because gym is already there in the premises. उनको अपनी premises के अंदर ही gym मिल रहा है, उनको बाहर जाने की जरूरत ही नहीं है. So this is what we can do. Like we are trying to provide you the best of the facilities so that the people those who are staying in hostel, क्योंकि girls को जब hostel में लोग डालते हैं, parents जब डालते हैं, they always have one concern that their child should not go out for each and everything. ठीक है. कुछ चीजें ऐसी है which cannot be provided in the premises, but yes, rest of the things can be handled. So this is what we are trying to do, is we are trying to provide gym over there. This is the music room. How many of you are having interest in extracurricular activities like music and dance? Yes, please raise your hand. Good. We have good number with us. It means we are going to have a very good team with us again. See, these people are senior, or you may call it that they are the outgoing batch. So now you can always join these teams, and these teams are not only playing all such things in college, the music. They're also going for. There's a query come over here. I'll just resolve that query. Just wait for a moment. Uh, in that case, you can always enjoy this thing, but again there is a procedure to do that. Randomly आप कभी भी उठकर नहीं जाओगे. You really need to have permission with you, then only you can access to these rooms. Somebody asked me that is there any specific room for the games room? Again, after 4 o'clock you are allowed to go there, but when any sports come, or if you really want to go out for sports competition, you are allowed to take permission, and then you can do the practice over there, right? But again, हमारे जो थोड़े से norms है that are rigid in nature, like we try to give permissions after 4 o'clock so that nothing gets affected in terms of academics. So you are able to see the flash. Now you must be thinking, what is this Flash all about? Flash is our media society. We are our media society, and we have somewhere around 20 to 25. Yes, I'm going to brief you about the clubs and societies as well. We have about 20 to 25 students in Flash or media, wherein we have the content writer, we have the video editors, we have the people who are clicking the pictures, we have the people who are recording the sessions and uploading on YouTube or the various platforms we are maintaining. And trust me guys, these all things are being maintained by students. Faculty has no role into it, except that this the faculties are admin to these social networking sites, or if you talk about the pages or the accounts. Except that we have the editors, they are putting up the content over there, they are just getting us letting us know that what they are going to put up, and once we approve, you can always go for that. For Flash, we do not hire the photographer or the videographer from outside unless it's a very mega event. ठीक है, हम ये बोले कि हमारे यहाँ पे VIP ऑफिशियल्स आ रहे, तभी हम बाहर से बुलाते हैं. Otherwise our students team go and cover up the everything over there. So we have talent with us, and that is what we're expecting from you. Definitely we will have talent from you all, and we will be able to add you up in that particular team. Apart from it, like somebody asked me, like, you are from morning batch, so how can you see, what happens when we talk about you are there in the system about 1 or 2 o'clock तक आप system में होते हो, then you can have your lunch and all, and you can relax. Then 4 p.m. onwards you can get into the activity. That's not a problem, people are managing it, and you can always do that. So see, when people are keen to do that, they don't mind doing all such things even beyond times. So this is what you can do, is like you have to, you can make use of library till then. You can finish off your assignments and the works, because teachers are also giving you some questions to be done. ठीक है, तो आप वो चीजें पहले कर लो, and then you can relax, and you can play after 4 o'clock, or you can make use of these facilities. तो घर जाकर आप पूरे मतलब you can be into the resting mode only, because you are done with all the work. आपको कॉलेज से कोई काम मिला था, you are through with that, और आपने अपने practice sessions भी कर लिए, if you talk about, or it is like कि आपको hobby pursue करना है, you have done that. So like by 6-5 if you get free, once you get home, you will be relaxed then. तो वहां पर क्या है कि आपके ऊपर वो एक स्ट्रेस नहीं है that I have to finish it off my the work. What is the timing for the morning batch? You see, the timings are from 9 to 1, but it may stretch to at times 2 or 3 depending upon the number of subjects. In ground, which all sports are played? We have cricket, we have soccer, like students which play. Okay, we have cricket. Soccer is also played over there. Students are playing themselves, and they are even joining their hands with the uh, your BVCOE and BVI camp. I have students in my final year because I'm the coordinator, program coordinator for the final year. So what they're trying to do is they're trying to, connect with them, and they're making their team, and they're going out to play and they're winning over there. It's not like that, only on college they're relying, because till now we do not have any, this team. फुटबॉल का या सॉकर का टीम हमारा नहीं है, but we do have our cricket team. We can have our basketball team and the volleyball team. But if you want to go for soccer or the football, then you have to either align with them, or you can make your team once you are there in the campus. Is there anything you want to know about this playground? Uh, Parking is not access to gym. You can have. You can always go to the gym, but timings will be notified to you that what are the timings for you, because since I told you that we have the girls hostel over here. Okay, so the area is entirely different from the girls hostel, but we have to really be concerned about them. So accordingly, we notify the timing.
Hello, ma'am.
So and the yes,
Ma'am, do we have inter-college competitions?
yes, we do have.
Ma'am, with
We
what all
do have.
college?
See, if you talk about at times, we also conduct inter-college events. We are calling people from the Delhi University, and even if you say that I am interested in cricket, okay, and I've been playing cricket at the state level or the national level, right?
Yes.
So we have the team in college. You can be a part of it. यहाँ पे trials होते हैं, selection होता है, ठीक है. उसके बाद आपकी एक team बनती है, and then that team can be sent out. There is no issue in that. You have to put up the papers well in advance. ऐसा नहीं कल जाना और आप आज बोल रहे हो. आपको अगर कल जाना है तो डेफिनेटली आपको जो है 1 महीना पहले, 15 दिन पहले या 1 हफ्ता पहले एटलीस्ट पता चल जाएगा, राइट?
Thank you, ma'am.
Baki, what we can do is like I'll try to take one more session with you all, right? So I will brief you in detail about those things. Okay. Somebody is asking like what intellectual activities do we have apart from the co-curricular activities? Okay, extra co-curricular. See, we do have finance society. If you are interested in doing something in finance, you can be a part of finance society. We can, we are always inviting students to come up with these suggestions if they really want to bring something new to campus, like marketing, if they want to create HR, create जो भी उनको create करना है, but always come up with the plan. उसकी feasibility हमें बताओ. We do have ED club with us. ठीक है, हमारे पास ED club भी है. On that you will have this session in the following week, so you can have idea about it. We also have the dramatic society, the people who are interested in the street plays or the theater, or if you talk about mono act, they can be a part of the dramatics. Then see, problem is, this is the major problem as if now we have with us, that parking. But you can park always your vehicle in the metro station, right? So
Ma'am,
that
can
is
a
the major thing you have to take care of.
society?
Yes,
Ma'am, can a
yes,
student be part of more than one society?
yes, you can be. There is no restriction to that. You can be a part of n number of societies, provided you are not influencing your, affecting your academics.
Okay, ma'am.
ठीक है. और somebody is asking for कि auditions कैसे होता है. तो auditions क्या है, आपको notification आएगा once your ERP is working. आपको ERP IDs जब मिल जाएंगे तो we will notify each and everything, and accordingly we are going to take the audition. अब हो सकता है कि आपके audition जो है ये virtual mode पर ही हो. We do have fest, that is the management fest. I told you about Renaissance. ठीक है, इसके ऊपर freshers party बेटा इस बार we cannot commit you because that's the virtual platform we are going with, but yes, we do have in the college, and your super seniors are doing for it. ठीक है, so abhi to we cannot comment on this whether it is gonna happen or not, because we are not in the physically present system, right?
Excuse me,
Then yes,
ma'am, do we have a welfare society?
welfare like social club.
Yes, ma'am.
social club we have, and we have been doing activities like blood donation camp, or if you talk about donation camp wherein woolen donation camp we also have. So from time to time we have been doing, and apart from it, we are also a part of the Unnat Bharat, जो गवर्नमेंट की स्कीम चल रही है ना उन्नत भारत. वी हैव आल्सो बीन अ पार्ट ऑफ इट, वेयर इन we have adopted a village and we have to work towards them now. ठीक है, हमें उसके लिए जैसे अमाउंट सैंक्शनिंग जो गवर्नमेंट करती है, वी आर थ्रू विद दैट. बट अब ये पैंडेमिक के चक्कर में वी आर नॉट एबल टू वर्क ऑन दैट, दो वी चॉक्ड आउट आवर प्लान. So we have things, you can also be a part of that. And we have publications in our college like the annual magazine, that's Harmony. We have newsletter, quarterly newsletter we have every 3 months we have, that is VVMR Mirror. Then we have glimpses, that's the annual like Harmony में क्या होता है, but we are talking about like we are having some specific theme और उसके ऊपर हम अपनी magazine print करते हैं. And glimpse में क्या होता है, like whatever has been done in the entire year, ठीक है, this is what we are going to showcase in that particular glimpse in shorts, ठीक है, short stories. Or then we have the finance society, they have their own magazine with the name of Finanza. Trips we do not have that, but yes we have industrial visit that happens once in a year in second year generally, because then we have to make a project, so for that we really need to have. So industrial visit we have, we do not have the trips over here. Anything leisure visits which we do not have, it's like no, you always have time after 1 or 2 o'clock, you can always have it. But again it depends, like if you would like to suggest something like you can say educational trip, ठीक है, so we can take into consideration subject to the condition that you are able to fulfill all the institutional criteria, तब वो कंसिडर होता है, अदरवाइज वो नहीं होगा. दैट कैन बी turned down, then the paper can be turned down. Anything else you would like to know?
Ma'am,
Yes,
what about fests?
what about
Fests.
फेस्ट? मैंने आपको बताया हमारा एक मेजर फेस्ट है, दैट इज फॉर द ऑल डिपार्टमेंट्स. हमारा जो होता है रेनेसांस, ठीक है, दैट इज द टेक्नो मैनेजमेंट फेस्ट है हमारा, कल्चरल टेक्नो मैनेजमेंट फेस्ट रेनेसांस, व्हिच हैपेंस ईदर इन फेब और इन मार्च. Apart from it, we have some other events like Ozone Day that we just celebrated 2 days back. And then we have some other events as well. So from time to time, we are conducting events. We are making you involved into that. It's nothing like that you are not given the chance. But क्या होता है, फर्स्ट ईयर के बच्चे अभी सिस्टम को लर्न कर रहे होते हैं, तो उन लोगों का जो है ऑर्गेनाइजिंग में इतना वो नहीं आता है. देन वी डू हैव स्टूडेंट काउंसिल ओवर है, बट यहाँ की स्टूडेंट काउंसिल जो है वो डिफरेंट है आपकी डीयू से. डीयू में बाय इलेक्शन होते हैं, ठीक है, यहाँ पे बाय सिलेक्शन होते हैं. यहाँ पर आप अपना एक फॉर्म फिल करोगे, आपकी स्क्रूटनी होगी, एंड देन उसके बाद जो है जो what do we call it, then interview will take place and accordingly the position will be given to the candidature, ठीक है. So this is how we talk about for the student council. We have no voice, we have fab. No voice जो होती है हमारी बीबीए के लिए होती है, because that's just a beginning. बीबीए बीसीए के लिए. फैब 5 जो होती है हमारी एमबीए के लिए होती है. Positions बेटा we have like president, vice president, girl and boy in both the positions. Then we have treasurer, we have secretary, joint secretary, and then the members we have. And we also have that alumni, cell with us, alumni team, and you can always a part of that alumni as well. Anything else? Any other question? Or see, you have my number, I guess, or else, you can take my number. You can drop me a text if you want to, have some query with you. What you can do is I will just, drop my number in the chat box, so that if you want to ask, you can ask me there.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, is there any office of career services like where we can get help in internships and placements?
Yes, please go ahead.
Like, is there any office of career services where we can get help in internships and
Yes,
placements?
we have CRC in our campus. That's the Corporate Resource Center, and the session will be taken by the head only, placement head, and she's going to brief you about that.
All right.
And Palak, are you there in the class? Palak, Palak, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
You please give your number to Nancy ma'am. She has messaged her number on the chat box.
Okay.
Okay, so I have given you my number. My name is Dr. Rashima Bhatnagar. I'm repeating myself, right? So you can jot down my number and you can contact me for anything if you want to, because I have been handling the societies along with Tripti ma'am over here, and yeah, I'm also handling that intercollegiate events. ठीक है, intercollegiate जो competitions होते हैं वो मैं handle करती हूँ. When you want to go somewhere outside, you have to contact me. So you can always save my number. You can connect with me whenever you really want to, get your query solved, right? So can we take a leave because I have a next session scheduled for the next class now? Yes. If somebody has the query, what you can do is you can message me. I will, reply you, but I will take some time because I have continuous sessions till, 12, and then from 1 to 5. So once I get free, I will definitely, try to solve your query. Is that fine with you all? Wish you a very happy and, journey with the happy journey with your BVMR, and may you shine as we have seen our, students shine in their future. And they are doing pretty well. So this is what is expected out of you. All the very best to you guys. You can all leave. I have downloaded your attendance. Have a nice day to you all.